Part 2. In this following video, we'll show you additional tools and tips in FS6Part 6, using the mirror tool. As you can see in this example, one side of the face has better texture than the other, in this instance the right side. The left side clearly has problems and bad shadows. Mirroring over the right side to the left makes both sides similar and improves the overall look. Using the texture brush. We can also improve texture using the texture brush tool. Turning the 3D head to profile, we open the texture brush tool, set the brush size and transparency, and also click on the mirror box to repeat the changes on both sides of the head. Now with the clone stamp, we first click on the area we want to copy over and then use the brush to paint this texture to the new area. We can repeat this process several times and even use the right picture as the clone origin. Using the shape brush. Located right next to the texture brush, the shape brush lets us select the brush shape and also the range. Here we will select an area of JFK's chin to give him a double chin. By pulling the selected area downward, we can easily create the right shape. Now we can also change the shape of the forehead as shown. Here we seem to have created a flat plateau which we can fix by rounding it out. Once finished, we click OK and commit the picture back to DAZ Studio. Profile tool. The profile tool is more extensive than the other two tools we just observed. This tool can be used with highly characteristic profiles. Once we created the frontal view, we can click on the profile button. Here we are asked for a second picture that shows the character's profile. Once we've selected and cropped this picture, FS6Part 6 overlays the newly created 3D head. Our task is to rotate the head into profile and using the middle mouse wheel, increase the size to exactly match the photo. Once we have a good match, we click the next button. Now on this next screen, we need to draw lines on the photo on the left. We start with the upper profile to the nose. Drawing and following the profile carefully, we capture its shape. Now we repeat this for the corresponding area on the right 3D head. Next, we'll draw the lip and chin area. To do this best, we can zoom into the image. When finished, we zoom and draw the same area on the 3D head. We can see that the 3D head on the right looks quite different from the picture on the left. Now clicking Next, we can see how the software reshapes the 3D head to look like our photo. Not bad at all. Now we can commit to bring the head back to Studio. Looks pretty good. Now using the base sliders, we can even make her smile. Improving texture maps. Here we will show how to use an external paint program such as Photoshop.